Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing review. And today we're going to review another webcam. It's called Amcrest AWC195-b. Guys, if you remember, last month I reviewed a webcam and it's called Amcrest as well, and it's called Amcrest. Model is AWC201-b. And just to let you know, guys, this is a sponsored review. The Amcrest company got in touch with me and asked me if I can review the newer model of the webcam. So we'll compare the AWC201-b to Amcrest AWC195-b. So let's have a look at the box of this one. So it says, here's the model, and it's the same. It's 1080p HD webcam. You got privacy cover, built-in stereo microphone, and USB plug and play, which is the same as this one. Okay, and the specification: 0.7-inch CMOS image sensor, 1080p Full HD 30 frames per second, 90-degree field of view, high sensitive dual mic, USB 2.0 plug and play, and 7.87-inch USB cable. So that's the newer model. So let's open the box, guys. So in the box, we got the privacy cover, manual. We got the manual, and we got wires, the wire itself. And shall we compare the wires from the older model? So basically it's same length as the older model. It lies flat. Is it same as that one? Yeah, lies flat. So this is the older model and this is the newer model. Okay. They both got the same thread for the tripod. They both got the same attachment. You can put it as a tabletop, or you can put it on top of the laptop, or you can put it on the tripod. If you got tripod, you can put it on top tripod. So here's the comparison. What's the look like? I'm gonna put the privacy cover on this one. On this one, they got a clip-on privacy cover. It's clip-on and off. Unlike on this one, on the older model, you got double-sided tape to stick it on. So it's fixed, permanent. So the newer version is just a clip-on and off. And then clip it back on. The privacy cover is only made of plastic. This is only made of plastic. Overall it's made of plastic. And then there's a mic here, microphone here. Here's the comparison. Should we try it on? See what's the quality of the camera when it's in use. Hello guys, now we will compare the two Amcrest camera, which is the Amcrest on the left side on top of my laptop. We got the Amcrest AWC195-b, and on the left side top of my laptop. We got the Amcrest AWC200-b. And my setting is I got the ring lights next to my laptop on the left side. So now at the moment we are using the Amcrest AWC195-b. Guys, we are now using the Amcrest AWC200-b. So we can compare the distortion. On this one, you can notice the straight line is quite straight. There's no fisheye distortion. Whereas the older model, which is AWC200-b, you can notice the distortion of the line like a fisheye distortion. And on the newer model, there is a better skin tone quality. See? Okay. You can see, whereas on the older model of the Amcrest, it looks like it's a bit washed out or something. Okay. And you can notice the fisheye distortion there. So on the settings, I'm going to go through the settings again. So we got the rule of third as the settings. So on the photos quality, you got plenty to choose from. What megapixel you want to use and what sizes that you want to use. Whereas on the Amcrest AWC200-b model, you only got 3 options to pick from, which is 2.1, 0.9, and 0.3 megapixel. They both got 30 frames per second. Okay, so at the moment, we are using the Amcrest AWC200-b. Shall we try out? We will going to try out now on the low light condition. So, which means going to turn up my ring light now and see what the difference between the low light condition. This is the Amcrest AWC195-b on the low light condition. And this is the Amcrest AWC200-b on the low light condition. Okay guys, so I'm going to turn the lights back on. So guys, you can see the difference between the Amcrest AWC195-b and from the Amcrest, the older model AWC200-b. The new Amcrest webcam is pretty good. And the skin tone is much better to compare from the older version of it. I would recommend the newer model now. So guys, we are going to test out now the audio. So we'll pick the audio. That one. At the moment, I am using the audio of Amcrest AWC195-b. So we'll change the audio now. So guys, I am using now the audio of AWC200-b. And guys, I am using now the audio of my laptop camera, which is the Dell Inspiron 1500. This is the audio and the video quality of the Amcrest AWC195-b. is the video quality and the audio quality of the Amcrest AWC201-b. So guys, this is the video and the audio quality of my laptop Dell Inspiron 1500. There you go, guys. This is the Amcrest AWC195-b. Let me know in the comment box below what you think of this new Amcrest webcam.